to Pickle TV. So, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Brian Nickel. I also go by Pickle, Pickles, Peckerhead, whatever you want to call them. I'm a hazer and an asshole. Both. Now, if you guys don't know who this is, that's Wankmaster, or Mark Roberts, or the Vaping Postman. If you guys don't know about him, Jay, Vic, me a little bit, but they're, since the FPRTA got released, everything's been a little bit heated. So, if you guys don't know the backstory on Mark, I don't want to get into the one story, Here, there was information in his group, the Vaping Postman's group, and it didn't get taken down. And it was Bree's information, her phone number, and the original poster took it down. We're not here to talk about that. But if you notice, it happens again, then again. So, Jay wanted to do the review for the FPRTA from Blitz and the one that Mark created. So, Jay figured the company's probably going to blackball him, not send him the product. If they see it, if Nature Vape sees it on their radar, they're just not going to send it to him. So, he had me get it, and he paid me for it. He had me buy it, and whenever I got it, I sent it off to Jay. Jay did the review. Everything's fine. Mark didn't like the review. Oh well. That's his problem. But whenever I bought it at Nature Vape, I put my PayPal information in. Just normal whatever. PayPal, paid for it, a shipping address. So I noticed a couple of days later that I get a message that my information is on the Vaping Postman's group. Everything's crossed out but my name and the order number and the date. But how did Mark get that? I'm the only one that had it. I didn't send it to nobody. So Mark got it from Nature Vape. So this is the second time now in his group that people's information has been out. So Mark had to go out from Nature Vape. Nowhere else he could get it from. So the guy from Nature Vape sent it to Mark because Mark asked for it. Who else's information did Mark ask for? Does he have information from other people? But everything's crossed out so he didn't dox me. That's fine, but the guy that owns Nature Vape or works there said that he's the one that crossed it out, then sent it to Mark. He already did that. He runs a company. He's the middleman for all these products. How can he be trusted? I can't trust him to know that he did that. For all I know, Mark has my information and thousands of other people's information. It's hard to say. So I called the guy from Nature Vape today. He said that he gave Mark the information whenever Mark asked, because Mark thought that he sent the FPRTA to Jay. So he had to prove to the Vaping Postman that he didn't. Well, whenever you run a business, that's not what you do. Whether it's your friend or not. Then, I guess he entrusted in him not to put it onto the internet. Well, it shows Mark's trust right there. So, Mark, it's hard to say what Mark has, what information he has on who. But, I'm going to show you the information, the receipts, my receipts, the receipts that Mark posted of mine, and I'll let you decide for yourself. And this will be installment number 1. Maybe we'll have some more installments, you never know. So here are the emails. The one on the left is from my email. The one on the right is the one that Mark Roberts got sent from Nature Vape. You'll notice the order ID numbers are the same, the dates are the same, and the times are the same. My name, my PayPal ID, my PayPal email, and my IP address are blocked out on Mark's. I blocked my address out on mine. But did Mark get it like that? I think maybe Mark did get it like that, but who knows? He shouldn't have got it in the first place like that. You don't just give people's information out. And then whenever you do give people's information out, you don't post it on the internet. It's not doxing, but I wouldn't want to get nothing associated with Mark or Nature Vape no more, but that's just my opinion. But I'm going to play the phone call here from whenever I talked to the guy at Nature Vape. Whenever I was on the phone, I was in a state that only needed a one-person consent, and I consented to it. So here's that phone call.
I don't know if you're thinking the same way as I am. I hope you are. But if you look at the history of my website and my YouTube videos, you'll know that I'm like a middle-aged man who just wants to help people stop smoking. That's it. There is no more. And there isn't any. I don't want to go into battle with people. I don't want to start responding to people in an aggressive way. I don't think it's necessary. And if lesson learned, I guess, in what I did by proving that Jay didn't buy that tank. And yeah, error of judgment on my part, and I've apologised.
I understand you apologize. I just seem like what if it's just like, did you release more information? Have you released information before?
No, I haven't said anything else or done anything else. If you go through all the videos of Mark, Vic, Jay, you'll only ever see me write a positive comment, such as...
So, in closing, you can make up your own mind if you would like to deal with Nature Vape or not. I know I wouldn't. And I know I wouldn't want to deal with Mark Roberts either to go through Nature Vape. I don't know what Blitz will have to say about this, but I'm sure they'll respond. But that's pretty much it. You guys can take it however you want. And if you'd like to buy from there, go ahead. If not, don't. I know I wouldn't, but that's up to you. But just want to say, bye, Mark, and Pickles is out.